Okay guys, we'll quickly go through these pseudocode questions, right? So as we can see here, what will be the output of the following pseudocode when input is apple, right? So it's an string apple, right? So which means at 0th index we have A, first index we have P, second index we have P, third index we have L, and fourth index we have E, and length of the string is 5, right? Length of the string is 5. Now what is the question? They have taken a reverse empty string and a for loop which starts here, okay, and ends here, and they're printing the reverse string. Now what is being done? This loop is running from length of a string minus 1. Length of a string is 5, minus 1 will become 4, so it is going from 4 3 2 1 0, right? So it is going in a reverse order. So in the fourth index, whatever we are going to get, we are adding it to the empty string. So initially it is empty string plus fourth index is going to be E. We'll go for add E. So then we'll get it as string as E. In reverse, we'll go for get the next character, that is L. We'll go for concatenate. So then the reverse will become EL. Then we'll go for add P. So then we'll go for get ELP, and then again we are going to add P, which is at first index. So we'll at the end we'll get ELPPA, right? So basically we are going to get the reverse of the given string, right? So in that case, what we can see here, option B is the right answer. Sorry, option C is the right answer, right? Okay, we'll go through the next question. Second question, what is the output of the following pseudocode when n is equal to 5? And if you can see here, it is variable n when initialized to 5, and basically there is a factorial variable initialized with 1, a loop running from 1 to n, which means 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it's basically a factorial formula. Every time we'll go for 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, right? So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 5 is 120. So 120 is the right answer, option C, right? So we'll go to the next question. What will be the output of the following pseudocode when number is equal to 7, right? So that is what the question. Number has been initialized with 7, okay. Right, so we'll just have a quick trace of this particular program as well. Number has been initialized to 7, that is what given in the question. If number is less than or equal to 1, not a prime, but it is greater than. So if condition start here, else goes here, and that if ends at the end, right? So internally again there is a for loop which starts here and ends here, okay. And if you can see, if the given number is, again this loop starts from 2 3 4 5 6, right, lesser than number minus 1, so it will run for this time and it will check whether any of this number is going to divide the given number. If it is dividing, then it is not a prime, but 7 is not being divided by 2 3 4 5 6, so it will go for what we can say it as end of the loop. And if the number is divisible by any of I, so we'll go for get it as print it as prime. So the output is going to be prime, okay. So we'll just see the output. Yeah, option C is the right answer, okay. We'll go to the next question. What is the output of the following pseudocode when start is equal to 2 and end is equal to 6? You can see it is 2 6, which means for loop run from 2 3 4 5 and 6. So they're checking for I mod 2 equal to 0 means even numbers. That means 2 4 6 are even number. They're going to add those things. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 is going to be 12. So every time like this even number you get, we'll go for add it to sum. So it is going to get it as 12. So the right answer what we are going to get is 12, option B, okay. Right, so we'll go to the last question for this set. Given the following pseudocode, what is the output when the array is 3, 2, 8, 5, 10 and 4? So what you can observe here is at 0th index we have 3, first index 1, sorry, first index 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 6 elements are there. So they have taken max is equal to -1, max E1 equal to -1, and they are going to traverse through the given element which is running from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see length is 6, 6 minus 1 is going to be 5. It will run from 0 to 5, right? So which means they are going to access each and every value in the given array and check whether it is even. If it is even and greater than the max, it is going to update. So now what is the max value? -1. First at the 0th index we will get 3, okay, but 3 is not a even, so this condition fails for 3, so it will not go further. 2 is even, which is greater than -1, this will get updated to 2. 3 is again like 8 is even, which is greater than 2, so it will get updated by 8. 5 is not even, so it will not go further. 10 is even, it will go for update 8 to 10, and 4 is even, but it is not greater than 10, so it remains same. So 10 is the max even number which is going to be stored, and that is what is going to be displayed. Okay, so that's why option A is the right answer for this. Okay, hope you have understood.